Kettle is one of the most inevitable items that I use in my kitchen. I use it every day, be it for making tea or when I require hot water to be used in my recipes. It's so convenient to use that you have boiled water within minutes. My electric kettle has a temperature display, so you can switch it off at desired temperature. I have switched it off at 85 degrees. Here I am preparing a herbal tea with leaves I've purchased from Armenia. We bought dried flowers as well, but now here I am using dried herbs to make the tea. This is stainless steel tea ball from Prestige. Temperature varies 5 to 10 degrees from the temperature you have switched it off. I'll let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. This is a brand named Ware. It's a really good flask and it keeps the water hot overnight. Remaining water, I'm going to store it in my flask so that I don't have to reboil it. And speaking about my kettle, this is a brand named IKON and I purchased it from LuLu. I have been using it for more than 6 months and I'm completely satisfied with it. It switches off automatically at 100 degrees if unattended. With this temperature display, I can save much energy and time. The exterior has grey, black and silver finish. It comes with a stainless steel interior which makes it easy to clean, and there are 3 water level markings inside. Our herbal tea is ready to be served. It's optional to add honey or lemon in this, but I never add sugar. Hope you all enjoyed watching this. If yes, please give a thumbs up and share this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and comment in the description box down below any of your suggestions.